To begin with, select the calculator for calculating the pipe wall thickness from the list of calculators on the left. Task: calculate the minimum wall thickness of the pipe if the internal pressure in the pipe is 300 pounds per square inch, the nominal diameter of the pipe is 4 inches, pipe material, carbon steel according to ASTM A53, grade A. The pipe is electric resistance welded, ERW. The pipeline location class is 2, ambient temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Anticipate corrosion allowance CA equals 1 mm. Factory tolerance of pipe wall thickness 12.5%. Solution: on the right side of the calculator, we select the type of calculation, which in this case is the already selected selection, calculation of the minimum thickness of the pipe wall. By choosing the type of calculation, the fields in the central part of the calculator for data entry are enabled for internal pipe pressure P, specified minimum yield stress SMIS, pipe outer diameter DU, longitudinal efficiency E, design factor F, and temperature deterioration factor T. Not enabled text fields for input will show the calculation results after the calculation, namely pipe wall thickness T, pipe inner diameter D. We can select to enter corrosion allowance CA, and mill tolerance allowance mount by checking the appropriate checkbox on the right side of the calculator, later on. In this example, we will enter the pressure value P equals 300 pounds per square inch. For SMIS, from the list of pipe materials, we will choose a pipe according to ASTM A53, ERW-electric resistance welded, pipe material is grade A. Based on this selection, we have that SMIS equals 30,000 pounds per square inch. At the same time, the type of pipe longitudinal efficiency E equals 1.0 was chosen. To select a value for the design factor F, use the Pipe Material tab and set the location class to 2. For this value, the design factor is F equals 0.6. To select the value of the temperature effect factor on the pipe material, we choose a temperature of 250 Fahrenheit or less. For this temperature value, the temperature deterioration factor is T equals 1.0. Then we need to enter the diameter of the pipe. By selecting from the list on the right side of the calculator, we can choose whether to enter the inner or outer diameter. Alternatively, we can choose a suitable pipe from the list of standard pipes. The list contains several standards, and in this case, we chose the standard ANSI B36.10, 4 inches nominal pipe size 100. If we now click on the Calculate button, we get the minimum pipe wall thickness T equals 0.9525 mm. Finally, we need to enter corrosion and mill allowance. In this example, we entered CA equals 1 mm and mount equals 12.5%. The final wall thickness is now T equals 2.072 mm. Conclusion: the standard thickness of the pipe wall STD is 6.02 mm, which means that the standard thickness of the pipe wall is sufficient for our conditions, and Schedule 30 can also be applied, for which the pipe thickness is 4.775 mm.